Hello everyone, how to Tuts back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you how to get membership on BandLab Make Music Online website or application. So you can see this is the interface of BandLab. So what you need to do, you need to click here on your profile and then click the option settings, or you can uh, go like on your profile, like view profile, and then click pencil. So is just to go in settings, and after that once you come on your profile settings, then you can say membership and then get membership. Then here you'll get two options, annual and monthly. If you choose annual, then subscribe. If you choose monthly, then you'll get 3 days free trial. You can get 3 days free trial, and after that your monthly basis subscription will be counted. So and then try free for 3 days. You have to add your checkout. You have to add your everything, and once you're done, then you have to pay through your MasterCard or debit card or bank account. You can go. So this way you can get your membership on BandLab Make Music Online website. So okay friend, today is no more, and see you in the next video.